Good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to learn about the new chapter multiples and factors. Here is the one picture. Is you? Are you all watching this picture? See, in this picture, what are you all observing? Here, one mouse is there and then one cat is there. So, where is the cat? It is on the third step. Where is the mouse? It is on the 14th step. The mouse is on the 14th step and then the cat is on the third step. So the steps are here up to the 29. After the 29 there is one hole. Okay, the 30th step is here hole. Let's have some question using this picture. So observe the picture carefully. See here, the hungry cat is trying to catch a mouse. So the cat is very hungry and it's trying to catch a mouse. So the mouse is on the 14th step, yes? And it can jump 2 steps at a time. So the mouse can jump 2 steps at a time. Where is the cat? It is on the third step and it can jump 3 steps at a time. So the cat can jump 3 steps at a time and then the mouse can jump 2 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, so the mouse reaches 28, it can hide the hole. So the mouse reaches 28, it can hide the hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely or not. Okay. Find out whether the mouse can get away safe or else the cat can eat the mouse or not. Yes. So let's see now whether the mouse will get away or else the cat catch the mouse or not. Okay. So you know well now the cat can jump 3 steps at a time. The mouse can jump 2 steps at a time. Yes. Let's see now what are the question from this picture. The first question to you. Which are the steps the mouse jump? Which are the steps the mouse jumps? So here is the picture to you. Which are the steps the mouse jump? Okay. So the mouse is on the 14th step. The mouse is on the 14th step and it can jump 2 steps at a time. So where it will be? So once the 2 steps it reaches another place. So 15, 16, it is a 2 steps. So it will come at 16 and again the 2 steps 1, 2. Then it reaches 18. Then 1, 2, 20. Then 1, 2, 22. Then 1, 2, 24. And then 1, 2, 26. And then 1, 2, 28. So the mouse reaches 28. Then the next question to you. The steps on which the cat jumps. So where is the place the cat jumps? So cat can jump 3 steps at a time. So it is on the third step now. So from the third step the cat can jump 3 steps at a time. So it will be 1, 2, 3. So third step it will be reaches 6. Then 1, 2, 3, then 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 12th step. Then 13, 14, 15th step. And then 1, 2, 3, 18th step. And then 1, 2, 3, 21st step. And then 1, 2, 3, 24th step. Then 1, 2, 3, 27. Yes, that's all the steps. So it can jump 27 steps at last place. The next question to you. The steps on which the both cat and mouse can meet. So where are the steps the cat and mouse it is jumps together. So we are going to find on which step the cat and mouse together. So while you watching this picture, there is the place 18 and then 24. The cat and then mouse jumps together. So 18 and 24th step the cat and mouse jumps together. The next question to you, can the mouse get away? So while you watching the picture, see The mouse can jump at 28 step at last. One more, the 2 steps are there, it will reach a hole. The cat can jump 27 steps at the last step. So, one step is more compared to the cat. Yes, it is on the 28th place, the mouse, and then the cat is on the 27th place. So, one more step is higher than the cat. So, the mouse, if one more step can jump to the cat, the mouse faster than the cat, it has go hide the hole. So the mouse get away from the cat. It is safe now. So the mouse is safe now. The cat cannot get a mouse. It cannot catch a mouse. So the mouse escaped from the cat. Are you all interested in this story? Yes. So now you observe it. Is here. Which are the steps the mouse jumps? No. That is called the multiples of 2. Why? Because it is jumps 2 steps at a time. That is called the multiples of 2. Which are the steps the cat can jump? The cat, it can jump 3 steps at a time. So, 3 jump, it is jumping at a time. So, it is the multiples of 3. So, hope you are understood what is the multiples. It is a skip counting. Yes, the same step it should be jumping, the cat and mouse. The next question, which are the steps both the cat and mouse together? So that is the common multiples, where the common multiples are 2 and 3. Hope you all understood the multiples. It is a very easy. Are you all interested in the story? This one is, so it is the multiples of 2 and 3. Here we learned, and what is the common multiples of 2 and 3. Are you all happy to learn this story? See now, multiples of 2. So multiples of 2, before we have learnt in the how the mouse, the jumping 2 steps at a time. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Then multiples of 3, where the cat can jump 3 steps at a time. 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15, etc. What are the common multiples of here? Between 2 and 3. So here what are the common multiples here? 6 and then 12. Then if you move to the etc., you will get as multiples 18, 24, 30. If you increase the multiples, you will get. Yes. So hope you all understood about the multiples and its common multiples. So now we are going to start a definition of a multiples. A multiple is a result of multiplying two numbers. Here is an example to you. 21 is the multiple of 7 and 3. So the multiple, which means the result of multiplying two numbers. So 21 is the multiple of two numbers, that is 21 is a multiple of 3 and 21 is a multiple of even 7. Now the common multiples of 3 and 4. See, I use the Venn diagram to explain you multiples. Is here two circle. In the red color circle, I have written the what are the multiples of 3. And then in the blue color circle, I have written the what are the multiples of 4. So if you observe what are the multiples of 3 and 4 common, I have written together the common place. It is a common place. What are the multiples of 3 and 4? So the common multiples of 3 and 4 are here 12, 24 and 36 and 36. So these are the common multiples of 3 and 4. Now properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of itself. So observe the example. 3 into 1 is 3, 5 into 1 is 5 and 9 into 1 is 9. So if you observe these example, each number it is multiple of itself. Each number it is multiple of itself. So multiple of 3 is 3, multiple of 5 is 5. If you take any number, that number's multiple is the same number. So that is the first multiple of that number. So every number is multiple of itself. The next one. every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than the number itself. Every multiple of a number is equal to or greater than that number itself. For example, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So what are the multiples of 3 here? It is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. If you observe this example, the first multiple is 3. If you observe the other example here, the multiple of a number is equal to, that is itself equal to or else greater than. So compared to that number, it is greater number 6, 9, 12 and 15 and 18, it is etc. So multiples of a number, it is equal to or greater than to that number itself. The number of multiples of a number is infinite. So multiples for any number, there is no end for the multiples. It is infinite. Check one more example here. Multiples of 4 here. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, etc. If you want to write more multiples, you can write. According to the question, you have to find the multiples, so that multiples of a number is infinite. Okay, hope you all understand. Now we are going to find the definition of a factor. A factor that is multiplied by another to give a product. The factor that is multiplied by another to give a product. So 7 into 8 is the factors of 56. 56 is the multiple of 7 and 8. Okay, so factors means a number that is multiplied by another to give a product. The factor, which means it is the exact divisor of that number. That is a one more definition to you. That is exact divisor. See one more example to you. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 20 is the multiple of 4 and then multiple of 5. 5 and 4 is the factor of 20. Next, we are going to find the factors. Okay, so one more method to use a find the factors by using a rainbow. You all happy to see the rainbow? No, when it will be appear? Yes, while the rain and then sunlight together, the rainbow will be appear. Yes, we all interested. We all like to watch a rainbow. Yes, no children. So observe the picture here. He is here in this picture. Factors of 72. Okay. So the first color is here pink. Okay. So 1 into 72 is 72. So 1 into 72 is 72. The next one 2 into 36 are 72. And then where is the first the color is starting, then where is the color is ending, you have to multiply, you will get the factors. Then 3 into 24, 72. Then 4 into 18, 72. Then 6 into 12 are 72. And then 8 into 9 are 72. If you multiply any two numbers, their result is factors of that number. See, these numbers are called the factors of that number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Okay, these are the factors of 72. You have to write only in the ascending order form. See, find the factors of 18. I have given you one bug here, bed bug here. See, 18 is in the middle part. 1 into 18 is 18. And then 2 nines are 18. And then 3 6 are 18. In what are the way, if you multiply, you will get as a 18. That is the factors of that number. So here the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. We have to write in the ascending order form. The ascending order, which means the number will become smaller to bigger. If you write in any order, that is not a wrong. If you write in an ascending order, it is correct. Okay. See another example to you, factor bar. 1 into 12 is, here the factor of 12. 1 into 12 is 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. What are the way if you multiply, you will get the number 12. Those numbers are called factors of that number. Okay. See now factors of 12. 1 12 is 12. 2 6 are 12. And then 3 4s are 12. These are the factors of 12. That only I have represented in the factor bag. Okay. Now the common factors. See factors of 16, factors of 24. So first factors of 16, what are they written here? What are they? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. And then what are the factors of 24? What are the factors of 24? That is 1, 24 is 24. Then 2, 12s are 24. Then 3, 8s are 24. And then 6 4s are 24. Yes. So if you observe this picture, where you will get a two together color, that is the common factors of that number. So what are the common factors here? That is 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the common factors. So common factors in the center place. Okay. Now properties of factor. So 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number. Dash is the factor of every number. Yes, very good. You have to say the answer. 1 is the factor of every number. Then every number is a factor of itself. Dash is the factor of itself. Every number. A factor of a number is less than or equal to that number. But while we mention the multiples, a multiple of a number is equal to or greater than that number. Factor is equal to or less than that number. The smallest factor of a number is 1. The smallest factor of a number is 1. The greatest factor of a number is itself. So every number, that is the greatest factor of that number. A number has a limited factor, that is finite. Where we learnt in the multiples, it is infinite. But in the factors, that is finite. Yes. So 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. And every factor of a number is less than or equal to that number. The smallest factor of a number is 1. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Number of factors is finite. While you see in this figure, you have to find the factors in the color paper. While you in your home, you have to draw the color paper, cut the color paper like this in a flower shape, and then write the factors in the petals part, and the center place. What are the factor you are going to find the number? So here is the number I have written here, 70. So you have to find the factors of 70. 1 into 70 is 70. 2 35 are 70. 7 10s are 17. So here 3 pairs are here and 6 factors are here. That is 1, 2, 7, 35, 10 and 17. Okay. Even you have to write in the opposite direction also. 1 into 70. Opposite direction. Then 2 into 35. Then 7 into 10. Opposite direction also you have to write in the petals form. Okay. Even in your home you have to try to use a color paper. Draw the any flower and cut it in a flower shape. In center part write any number, then find its factors in the petals. Okay. It is an activity to you. You have to do in your home and post it in the class group. Okay. It is an activity to you. It is an activity to you. You have to write the numbers in the middle part. Draw any flower shape. Write its factors. What are they in the flower petals? See, observe this. Here 112 is 12, 2 6 are 12. Then 112 is 12, 2 6 are 12. Then 4 3s are 12. These are the factors of 12. It is the factors of 20. I hope you all understood. Today we have learnt about the multiples and factors and what is a common multiple and common factors. Then what are the properties of multiple and then properties of factors. Okay. Thank you all.